Good morning, everybody. This is Kelly, Flip with Kelly, coming at you. How's everybody doing today? Just thought I'd do a little morning video here for y'all. Come on up. So yeah, I was just watching little Tony Robbins this morning. He was saying, fuck suffering. But I think back in the day, suffering was, it was kind of a thing, right? And I get it. Like, some people think they're sacrificing or suffering, or I guess a lot of it's perspective. But as time moves forward here, there really shouldn't be any reason for that type of stuff. So anyways, he says he's doing an interview with this Alex guy, Hormonzi or whatever his name is, but he's like, yeah, we worked our ass off, but we got grace, we have wives, we have, whatever, their success, helping people out, that's kind of their reward. But I've never thought of anything as suffering. No, is know what I want, and I go after it, and that's just desire or preference, and but yeah, a lot of people are thinking negative, and maybe they think of suffering as a positive thing somehow. I don't really understand the value in somebody's suffering, because if somebody's suffering, you want to help them out. So I don't think it's a good thing to suffer. But anyways, yeah, so I'm just kind of watching that video and thought I would give a little perspective on that, my opinion, and just calling and texting foreclosures this morning. I was doing that yesterday too. But if you got the money, you can mail them. And I would say probably the oh my gosh, it went dark here for some reason. Oh, that's a dark thing. Weird. Still learning this iPhone yet. Not sure how that works. Let's figure that out. Weird. Anyways, I guess for me the probates are the priorities, but we've done some foreclosure deals too, so those are pretty cool. But so you guys have yourself a great day. I'm gonna get back to my marketing here. For my marketing, I do government lists, and then I've got a software too that I've got filters set up on certain areas, and use a variety of different marketing methods, but primarily it would be get on the phone and texting, and then I print off letters too. So, but all right, so daylight hours, gotta get busy. You guys have yourself a great one. Oh, smash the like button if you feel like it. Click it or tick it.